own my skill. If I don't take it all away, no one will. Get back, you out of line, and you out of your mind, you out of time. Keep searching, brother, how do you find another man? This position is this machine I am is more than mortal, don't need a key to explode me. Bring it on, yeah, the heat is on. You better get your best to the plane or need it gone. Calculate the magnitude of the situation. Facing no time for pacing, it's no.
In the blue corner, we have Mr. Bittu Mehdi. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Bittu Mehdi. Standing towards my right, in the red corner, we have Mr. Kitbal Marwan. The referee in charge for this first fight is Mr. Isaiah Karmokram. We have this very beautiful ring girl. Give it up for the ring
Oh, fighters, you know the rules. Fight hard and please go back to your corners. Judge 1, ready? Judge 2. Judge 2, ready? Judge 3. Timer. Fighter in red. Fighter in blue. Ready? Fight! 1, 2!
on the hook.
Dono power.
Broccoli. Yes.
Ready.
I need. Fly there.
Oi, pressure.
Don't take it. Knees. Left knee. I left. Yes.
Nice. Reverse.
Push.
Catch.
Lock it. Reverse.
Itu keluar.
I need the strike. Pull the net. Ready corner man.
Fighter in blue. George.
Right shoulder Bitu. And go to your right. Go to your right. Go to your right. Bitu. Come on, Bitu. Come on, Bitu. Yang. Come on. Cakarai, Bitu. Come on. Cakarai, dia.
Behind it. Pull.
Bitu need to go to there. No.
Winner due to TKO in the red corner.
Actually, he's a good fighter, I know. He knows how to take down, reverse. And I appreciate you all, the love family, and to me, and to motivate yourself. Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Kid Long. upon Mr. Rajat Khanded to please give away the prizes. First, Mr. Rajat Khanded to give away the silver prize to Mr. Bittu. Ladies and gentlemen, please give him a big round of applause.
It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story.
I call upon Mrs. Idelin Imli to please give away the gold medal to Mr. Kip Borlang, the winner.